Hi guys, I'm back. This is batting. This is the batting that I have. Mine is like super big and long. But what you're gonna need is a crib size batting for your quilt. That's the biggest size you need. And crib size batting is 45 by 60 inches. And remember, your quilt is only 36 by 40, so that's big enough. That's all you need. So you can go to Joann's or Michael's or order off Amazon or whatever. The thing you want to make sure that you get is, I would use warm and natural, warm and white, or something like this, a warm blend. And the reason why you want this, because our blocks are going to be 8.5, like our big ones that we have are embroidery applique on. These are 8.5 by 8.5, and we don't want our quilt to bunch all up when we wash it. So this batting says that you can quilt up to 10 inches apart and it won't bunch up. So that's plenty of space to make sure that your quilt won't bunch up. So when you read your batting, just make sure it says that you can quilt at least 10 inches apart. So this is a warm blend, and that's what it tells me. And this is super long because this is 110 inches. But I make big quilts, so that's why I have that. But I cut a piece of that off here, and I'm going to put my quilt top on there. So I'm not going to sandwich it right now. I still need to press my top, but I just wanted to show you. So I have plenty of room on all my sides. I have plenty of room at the top, plenty of room on the sides, and plenty of room at the bottom. And I'm probably gonna cut some of it off. And then mine is so long that it's doubled. But since I have two quilts this size, that was okay. I just went ahead and used it, and I'll probably quilt the other one at some other time. So I'm just gonna cut this piece in half at where the fold is. So if you already have some batting at your house, you can do that as well. So that's what I'm doing to this one. I'm just going to cut it down the center. And then, like I said, once I press this, get my backing press, I'll come back and show you how I'm going to put it together so I can put it on the machine and do the process called stitch in the ditch. And so that's probably what we might not do them both in the same setting because it probably will take me some time to pin the quilt, or either I'll probably just show you how to pin the quilt. So if you don't want to use spray, you can, but I'll probably just use spray batting on mine to make the process go faster. But you can choose whichever one you want. I'll show you what spray batting I'm going to use, and then I'll also show you what I use to pin it. So stay tuned for that video, and we're going to just go along in this process until we are completed. I'm also going to show you how to put your binding together and how to press it. So when we finish quilting our quilt, stitching it in the ditch, we'll be ready with our binding, and we'll go on with that process. So stay tuned. We're almost at the finish line. God bless. You have an awesome and an amazing day. Be blessed, my friends.